Hello everyone. We are Team Termarind. Our problem statement is sentiment analysis on social media presence. The main objective to take this particular problem statement is nowadays everyone is using social media and it has become the part of our life. In this modern era, no one is showing the true feelings. Everyone is conveying through their post. So this creates an greatest impact on the society. So we come up with a solution by using machine learning models to recognize and categorize them into distinct public sentiments. Now, the technical stack we used is firstly, we are using natural language processing and machine learning to assign weighted sentiment scores to the entities, and we are using an algorithms like SVC, random forest, linear regression, and streamline framework. For audio to text conversion, we are using a Whisper OpenAI, and for live video emotion recognitions, we are using a facial emotion recognition libraries. Now we move on to the next slide, the workflow. We categorize the inputs into four different types: text, live video, next, video and image such as post, and audio. First, we see text. For text, we are first creating the model using such libraries called pandas and numpy, and we are saving the models in the library file. After that, we are creating and importing the model in the main program. So, and we are using the framework for the user interface. We are using Streamlit for the framework, and next, splitting the data into train and test. Basically, it will be in the ratio of 75 to 25, but in this case, we are using 70 to 30 ratio, and we are using a model to classify the input. This gives an desired output, and this is the output for the text. Now, for the live video, as usually, we are importing the necessary libraries, and for the camera capturing, we are using cv2.capture function. After that, we are using the cam.readoff function to read the frame from the camera. And after displaying the updated frames and releasing the camera, the output will be viewed. Now, for the video or image, we are installing the deepface libraries and importing the necessary libraries for this video or image post, and uploading the image from the Google Colab, and now importing the deepface modules, after which analyze using deepface.interface function, and which produces the output, and this is the output for the video or image. Now for the audio, we are installing Whisper OpenAI, which is used to convert audio to text, and we are also importing Whisper libraries, now saving the model and importing files from the Google Colab. So using transcript function to get the output as a text. Now the audio is converted into text, and it is followed to the text creating modules, and now it produces the desired output. This is the output for the text. This is our workflow, and now use cases. Firstly, it is used in the marketing area. For example, using tweets in the form of text and post in the form of videos as an input to the model, and detecting the emotions in marketing can assist a business in understanding how consumers are responding to their messages. Next, it is used in mental health. Text emotion detection in mental health can be used to track patients' emotion status and offer essential early interventions. For instance, a therapist may employ text emotion detection to examine a patient's daily entries and spot early indications of despair or anxiety. Next, it is used to the consumer feedback, and it can be used to analyze a consumer feedback and sentiment in customer care, enabling business to rectify any issues as soon as they arise and boost consumer happiness. These are the use cases. The difficulties, that is, the dependencies, are when someone attempts to mask the genuine feeling in a text, it might be challenging. For instance, someone who is truly pleased might write a sad reply. By analyzing a person's facial traits, we may determine the genuine feeling. And when someone attempts to hide the feeling in a text and in a face, we may determine the genuine feeling by the words. When we show different emotions in face, text, words, and we can get their genuine feeling by the prayer, post, and activity. We came to the conclusion. We hope this will be very helpful for the society, and I conclude by saying there will be a change of creating emotion intelligence and which plays a major role in the future. Thank you by the team Termarin.